morning po. My topic today is all about reflection on trusting trust. So, to what extent should one trust a statement that the program is free of Trojan sources? Perhaps it is more important to trust the people who wrote the software. So, Ken Thompson, there is an age, ages the age old age dance with the one that brought you, which means that I should talk about Unix. I have not worked on mainstream Unix in many years yet. I continue to get undeserved credit for the work of others. Therefore, I am not going to talk about Unix, but I want to thank everyone who has contributed. That that brings me to Dennis Ritchie. Our collaboration has been a thing of beauty in the 10 years that we have worked together. I can recall only one case of miscoordination of work. One on that occasion, I discovered that we both had written the same 20-line assembly language program. I compared I compared the sources and was astounded to find that they match character for character. The result of our together has been greater than the work that we each contributed. Program on my 1040 form that I that is what I put down as my occupation. As a programmer, I write one Unix trademark of AT&T Bell Laboratories 1994-001. So ito po yung mga number niya, programs. I would like to present to you Qtest program I wrote, and I will do these three stages in trust to bring it together at the end. So ito po yung stage 1. In college before video games, we would amuse ourselves by pushing programming exercises. One of the favorite was to write the shortest self-reproducing program. This, since this is an exercise divorced from reality, the usual vehicle was Fortran. Actually, Fortran was the language of choice for the same reason that three-leg races are popular. More precisely stated, the problem is to write a source program that when compiled and executed will produce as output an exact copy of its source. If you have never done this, I urge you to try it on your own. Discovery how to do it is a revelation that far surpasses in benefit obtained by being told how to do it. The part about short test, we attempt to demonstrate skill and determine a winner. Ito po yung sample niya. Yung char is may equals L, and so the string is a representation of the body of this program from 0 to n. Main open parenthesis in I print f char, and so ang ano natin po dito, here are some simple transliteration to allow a non-C program to read this code. So yung equals is assignment, tapos dalawang equal to equal. Ito po yung not equal in A. Tapos dalawang positive is increment, and then x single character constant. Tapos tatlong X is a multiple character string. Then may ano din tayo po dito, format to convert to decimal. Ito po yung ano po, convert niya to the decimal. And then meron din tayo ng format to convert to string. And the last two is tab character and new line character. So ito po yung moral niya. The lesson is clear. You cannot rely on the code you created, not entirely your own creation, especially code from business that employ individuals like me. You will be protected by source level vetting or inspection from employing in reliable code. I choose the C compiler to illustrate the viability of this sort of assault. I might have chosen any program handling program as my target, like a loader, an assembler, or even hardware microcode. These errors become more often as program levels drop. Will become more difficult to find. A well placed, it will be nearly impossible to find a microcode bug. So, thank you po. Yun lang po.